Fitbit's Versa lineup has been delivering very significant improvements with each new model. Now in its third iteration, the Fitbit Versa 3 is generally seen as ranking amongst the best of today's smartwatches. It's ventured well into the smartwatch market against the truly big hitters such as Apple and Samsung. But is Versa 3 truly the first mass appeal smartwatch from Fitbit? I took the plunge for the added monitoring features of the Versa 3. I sold off my still almost new Versa 2 to a friend as soon as I saw the third version. Versa 3 has been dubbed as the mass appeal smartwatch, and in my opinion this model really delivers on its marketing message.